Welcome to our Lesson 25 vocabulary. Go ahead and grab some paper and a pencil and take some notes as we go. And on that same note, don't forget to pause the video as needed to get the definitions written down for the quiz that goes with this. All right, so our first vocabulary word is black codes. And black codes are laws that were passed in 1865 and 1866 in the former Confederate States to limit the rights and freedoms of African Americans. Black codes. Our next one is civil rights. And civil rights are the rights guaranteed by the Constitution to all people, especially equal treatment under the law. Civil rights. 15th Amendment. The 15th Amendment was a change to the Constitution ratified in 1870, declaring that states cannot deny anyone the right to vote because of race or color or because the person was once enslaved. And ratified, if you're not familiar with that term, means approved or passed. In this case, 2/3 of the states have to request an amendment, or 2/3 of Congress. Okay. And then it has to get approved by 3/4 of the states before we add it to the Constitution. All right, 14th Amendment. 14th Amendment was a change to the Constitution ratified in 1868, granting citizenship to anyone born in the U.S. and guaranteeing all individuals equal protection of the law. 14th Amendment. 13th Amendment. The 13th Amendment was a change to the Constitution ratified in 1865, abolishing slavery in the U.S. 13th Amendment. Freedmen's Bureau. This was an agency established by Congress at the end of the Civil War to help and protect newly freed Black Americans. Freedmen's Bureau. Inferior. Inferior means of less importance, value, or quality. Inferior. Jim Crow laws. Jim Crow laws are laws enforcing the segregation of black people and white people in the South after the Civil War. And segregation, if you're not familiar with that term, just means separation. Reconstruction. Reconstruction was the period after the Civil War in which Southern states were rebuilt and brought back into the Union as the federal government addressed the impact of slavery. Reconstruction. Resolve. To find a solution for. Resolve. So-called. To be so-called is to be commonly described as. So-called. Tolerate. To tolerate means to put up with. Tolerate. All right, that's our last word, so make sure you get all the definitions written down and then go ahead and take your vocabulary quiz and get it knocked out. Good luck!